Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to archive stories on Wattpad. First of all, open the Wattpad application. If you want to archive the stories, you'll have to go to your library. Tap on the library icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can access the library over here. Make sure to select this option for current reads. Now you can see your current reads over here. Long press on the story that you want to archive. Now you can see various options over here. Tap on this option Archive Story that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option OK. Now after you do that, you can see over here the story will be archived. You'll be able to see that story in the archive section. So like this, you'll be able to archive stories on Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.